Hello. In order to figure out what sine 3 is, and hopefully we will find that it will equal pi minus 3, like you said here, and this is a good formula, is that you can use this formula here, and which I have written here, is that you can use this to approximate sine 3. If we consider f of x as sine x, because that's this function that we're interested in, we could say that sine of x is equal to sine of a plus the derivative of sine of a, which is basically cosine of a, times x minus a. Now, this a here, this a will be pi, or because I recommend that you use pi, not 3.1, mainly because that if you know sine of pi, it's easier to calculate if you know what sine of pi is and cosine of pi is, even without a calculator. So that makes it easier to do so. So, yeah, so then sine of x, which I'll quickly edit here, is equal to the sine of a, where a is pi, plus the derivative of sine of pi, which is cosine of pi, times x. Yeah, so in effect, this function is exactly what you just wrote here. If we want to know what sine of 3 is, we could simply just substitute x for 3. Sine of pi is 0, cosine of pi is -1. Okay, and then actually this number itself here is actually already pi minus 3. So you basically got it right. Yeah, it is correct. It's just that I recommend they use pi and not 3.1 only because it's easier to calculate sine of pi and cosine of pi. All right. This is all you should need to know. But if you did learn series in calculus, you could do it this way if you wish to. Of course, this way is easier, but if you want to like be a little bit more, if you want to do something more advanced, then you can do this if you wish. Basically, f of x or sine of x is equal to the summation from n equals 0 all the way to infinity of the nth derivative of the a divided by the factorial of n times x, which we would consider 3 here, and we should consider a as pi, obviously, minus pi to the power of n. And if you theoretically, if you sum this infinity terms, you'll get the exact value of sine of 3, which may be a little bit different from here. But either way, but it is a really interesting way to calculate the actual value of sine of 3. Which you'll now appreciate why you calculated about sine of 3. It may have to do with series. Anyway, not enough being said. So yes, so either if you do this way or this way, you should get about pi minus 3. All right, I hope that helped you out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. And all feedback is highly appreciated. And thank you. Have a nice day.